NVIDIA is one of the most valuable companies in the world. It dominates the AI revolution. But here's something surprising. NVIDIA doesn't manufacture a single chip. Most people assume companies like NVIDIA own massive chip factories. They don't. Instead, NVIDIA made one strategic decision that changed everything. It chose to focus entirely on designing the world's most advanced processors. Every architecture, every AI feature, every innovation is created by NVIDIA's engineers. The design is the product. But when it's time to manufacture those chips, NVIDIA sends its designs to TSMC in Taiwan. TSMC specializes in building the most advanced semiconductors on Earth. A single leading-edge fabrication facility costs tens of billions of dollars. By outsourcing manufacturing, NVIDIA avoids that massive expense entirely. Instead, it invests in AI, software, chip design, and research. The result? 71% gross margins, far higher than any chipmaker that owns factories. It's faster, more flexible, and incredibly profitable. The smartest companies don't try to do everything. They become the best at one thing and partner with the best for the rest. That's the strategy behind NVIDIA.